Nagtigom sulod sa usa ka hotel sa Davao City ang ana sa 200 ka mga partisipante gikan sa academe, faith-based organizations, civil society, international non-governmental organizations, representative gikan sa gobyerno sa Pilipinas, embassies ug advocates gikan sa Southeast Asia ug Europe alang sa paglusad sa Principles for Peace nga usa ka global participatory initiative nga gimugna aron mo develop ug pag-implementa sa bagong principles, standards ug metrics nga naninguhang maporma ang peace process, conflict prevention efforts ug pagplano ug dalan paingon sa malungtarong kalinaw. Sumala ni Gus Miklat, ang Executive Director sa Mindanao-based Initiatives for International Dialogue kinsa usa sa miorganisa sa panagtigom nga matubag ang mga hinungdan sa mga nahitabong conflict kun panagbangi.
Well, the essence of the Principles for Peace is actually just offering a new framework of certain principles that we have already been using. Independently or scatteredly maybe, the principles of legitimacy, for example, the principles of accountability, of security, human security. These are the lodestars. No? Legitimacy and human security, these are the most important thing for a peace process or for peace to be felt by people. But in order to achieve that, you have to have values of dignity, solidarity, and humility. No, so pag pinackage natin ng ganon, yun yung bagong principles for peace. Then you have also all of this other framework, which is integrating other solutions, etc. So this is something that is being offered by the Principles for Peace as a mechanism and as an accountability tool.
Usa sa misalmot sa paglusad sa Principles for Peace ang anak ni MNLF leader Nor Miswari. Nagtuo si Noreda Miswari nga makabot ang malungtarong kalinaw kung dunay panaghiusa ang tanan.
I think it's a huge journey to start. It's a good thing that everyone is on board to actually move together collectively to achieve what we really wanted, which is peace, sustainable peace. And sabi nga sa speech kanina, kailangan ng strong sense of leadership, commitment, and sabi nga, there will be no development without peace, and without development, there will be no sustainable peace.
Nagtuusab si kanhi Dutch Foreign Minister Bert Koenders kinsa chair sa P4P kon Principles for Peace Foundation nga ang susi sa malungtaron nga kalinaw hilabi na sa Bangsamoro mao ang pag-implementa sa mga bagong prinsipyo, standards ug metrics aron mausab ang peace process ug matubag ang tinubdan sa conflict.
I think from the Principles for Peace we should say that the work in Bangsamoro on the peace has been very impressive to the rest of the world. And that's why we are here. At the same time, to realize that for the Asia region, this is an important peace process, also for the Philippines, for the future of the peace process in the Philippines, for your role in the United Nations. But on the other hand, we also realize that, and that's our experience of the International Commission, that most of the peace process, if they don't really get the catalyst and the investment and the inclusivity and the constant work, they might fall apart. I'm not afraid of that here, but this is a landmark moment to revive the peace process in view of lessons learned from other parts of the world. If you look to our analysis, which is based on peace processes in Latin America, in Africa and in Asia, you see that even if it's very well established, like here in Bangsamoro, the risk is that it falls apart after 5 years. You always need to revive, catalyze a peace process. That's why all these organizations are here together, not only from Bangsamoro and Mindanao, from the whole Philippines and from the region, from the government, and also from the ministers from Bangsamoro, to really give this again a push, because implementation is key. For the people of Bangsamoro, I think they also have to reap the benefits, the peace dividend. And therefore I think implementation is key to make the next step.
Apil sa miorganisa sa paglusad sa Principles for Peace ang Geneva-based Principles for Peace Foundation, Global Partnership for the Prevention of Armed Conflict o Regional Secretariat, Initiatives for International Dialogue, International Center for Innovation, Transformation and Excellence in Governance Incorporated o Gaston Z. Ortigas Peace Institute. Ang Principles for Peace resulta sa extensive 2-year global consultation process nga nangalap og inputs lakip na sa Southeast Asia meeting sa Manila ni tumilabay Oktubre. Usasab kini ka follow-up mechanism alang sa inisyatibo nga naglaom sa pagsaulog sa usa ka paradigm shift sa field ug makamugna og independent feedback loop aron sa pagpahibalo sa paghimog desisyon nga ginadasig ug mahimong uban sa mga buhat sa pagtukod sa kalinaw sa rehiyon. Sumala sa Initiative for International Dialogue nga adunay dinalian nga panginahanglan alang sa pagbag-o sa mga saad sa peace builders kung magtutukod sa kalinaw sa pag-uban sa Bangsamoro peace process ug gikinahanglan nga ang mga nag-unang aktor sama sa Philippine Government, MILF ug uban pang na ilang implementers ug monitors makabaton og bag-ong panglantaw kung unsaon pagpatuman ang Bangsamoro Peace Agreement ug kung unsaon pagpakusog ug pagpalambo ang peace process. Eugene Hinutan, Newsline Philippines, Davao Region. Stay safe.